Ringkat ka jingmut ban aiman siem bat ban pen slur yaki khon Samla ban pen I yaki sab baper jongki ka office traikam u district sports officer West Giant Hills district Thatlasken CNRD block hakalai pautari urisau arja arpusan kala punong yaka block level chief minister youth engagement program de ka arsngi ha auditorium jonga kyang nangba government college Jowai. Shibenta kani ka program la danru ka jialang ban pensngur thu no ba lambor Suchen skill development officer West Giant Hills district MSSDS ubala ong baka sarkar jilla kala yele kat bala ban pen kop bor ban kentu kun rong yaki khon Samla ka jilla da ka bawan ra iki program ba pher khnang bakin la ban sedang yakakam ka jam Ula ong ru baka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society kade ka way na kilat ki Kabu kabala wan ra da ka sarkar ban ailat yaki khon Samla ban Pynjanai yaka sap.
Sleep! Doris! What happened? Why you shout? Mom! 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 What happened to Granny? Mom! Granny! Mom, wake up! Mom! Hello? Doctor? Hello, doctor? Mom, call the doctor! Who's there? Mom! Who's there? Mrs. Margaret. Mom! Okay, wait. Come first, doctor. Wait. Come first, doctor. Mom! Mom! What happened? Mom! Wake up! Mom, wake up! Mom! Mom!
Move a few seconds, please.
Let's check it out.
Why you are the hell just looking at her like that? She's just pretending. Ooh, that old woman. Just to take rest. She's sleeping like that. Why you bother that much? Yeah, I'm not bother that much. I was just sitting.
Mom!
Are you a husband of Mrs. Margaret?
Yes, doctor. What happened?
Oh, so sorry to tell you
Mom.
about her. She's
Mom.
suffering
Wake up,
from
Mom.
congested heart failure.
Huh? Is that true? Are you just make me shocked or what?
No, it's true. I advise her to take a proper rest.
Mom!
But she defends you all and she said her family means so much to her. And
Mom,
she's
wake
lying
up.
down here,
Mom, wake up.
lifeless, and leaving you all with love.
What happened?
So, if I were you, I would have been grateful to have such a great mother.
Margaret, why you left me alone, Margaret? She's no more. What happened to you? Speak up, Doris. Speak up, what happened to you?
Mom! Wake up, Mom! Mom! Wake up, Mom! Mom!
Stop, look what I found.
Remember, I was the one who always kept the first time. Forgive me.
But your condition is getting worse. You need to tell them. It's a mental condition. They won't care.
Scene 2. The mother is reading newspaper, the father was watching TV, and the daughter was studying.
Hey Jenny, how is your preparation for exam going?
It's good.
Jenny, make sure you top this one, as I have promised my friend that you will. And yes, I've promised a lot of my friends that I've got the smartest daughter of them. So I hope you top this one.
Mom, I need to tell you something.
Oh come on, drop the conversation. We can talk later after you top the exams, I mean.
tell me your condition is getting worse. Why don't you tell your parents?
They won't listen. They only care about my grades and academic achievements, not my mental health.
Shall I tell them then?
Actually, no. It would be more chaos, and they will feel shame on telling that their daughter having an unstable mental health.
But maybe you are not ill. What if you are just imagining things? I'm tired of this.
Please, you are the only one who understands me.
But I don't want to. Maybe you are just overthinking. I don't think I can do this anymore. I'm living abroad for a few months. Anyway, you figured it out yourself.
Jenny was left alone while Akhil leaves. Scene 4, Jenny was all alone in her room.
I didn't do well in my exam. My mom would be upset, and my dad will feel shame of me. I'm just a failure. I can't do this anymore.
She killed herself. Before killing herself, she has written everything in the diary. Jenny, why are you sleeping in the daylight? Oh my god, that's sleeping pill. How would you do this? We have given you everything you have ever needed in your life. You have a best friend.
Aku
ni tuan ni lah sedang tu ban pli bukan hasnong demi hasnong kampung kan kelaisan dulu wilayah anda bagi di rap ini station kami lalek dulu program befer untuk bayar sana ke Christmas light kita hanya Baka Meghalaya dan dapat miliok 10 juta miliok banjir.
Ti ngakwa men-share sedih ba kejori kecomaan suan. Masih somai ni nongdan kakak menteri mau kebangan insan. Ti hadin katu kanepon nalayo ciptip syapang ke Kerita Solution Training Academy keberan hajawai. Ti akan training melatih lembaga social media ban kunjung dan dipanglot. Kilai atu ena akan training kalong ke best pan pat kinunikai jokaru kilong kinusingkia hakap ai kejinikai ni. Ti hari katu kanepon mama berdiri sister juga. Mar bagi Josh cintip syapang kani ke kubur. Bila long really excited balik summit balik feel yang kani ke form dan join yang kani ke training. Ti nak susru yang ke course join ke draft paper.
Of this statistics, this data, the government of Meghalaya has put up lots of programs for the youth. Because to absorb in the government sector only, the government cannot absorb it. So they plan to develop lots of policies like skill development, entrepreneurships, self-employment, service, all things for you guys. Next. Maintaining what I already told just now regarding the government have created policy to make programs like entrepreneurships, skill development programs, so that we can able to empower the youths for their future career. So, how the government are doing it? The government are not sitting idle. They have developed different schemes for the program for the youths, including the state of Meghalaya and the ministry central government. So we have this scheme. We have one of the popular scheme in the states now is called Skill Meghalaya, especially for the youth of that state. And we have also this one program. Sorry, we have also one program we call ISBADP. This is the in-state border. This program is specially designed for the youth residing across along the interstate border with Assam.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.